on each one of the corners I pinched it and I drew a line. Now when I drew a line the first time, one of the sides was, the fabric wasn't evenly spread, so I had to start again. And so I draw a line there, so that's the line I'm going to use. I'm going to mark that one as wrong. So I've done that to each of the corners, drew a line on each one. So this one is the furthest one, so I'll mark this one as wrong. And there we go, we've got those. And I'm going to go over to my machine and I'm going to stitch it up. Now I'm going to put this back on. I'm not going to put a new one on because I can't get to anything in my workroom. Yeah, let's leave it at that. I'll just clean it up. Right, so Marianne, I was inspired by you, seeing as I made this spot so that we can work on it to do your Roman blinds. So I thought, you know what, I have intended to change some of the stuff in my living room, so I thought, let me just use my table today and do this. Right, so I've cleared out a section of my workroom so that I could give Marianne some sewing lesson. And so far what we've done is learning how to do the formula for curtains, and this week we learned how to do the formula for Roman blinds, and so we got that going. And I thought, seeing as I've got this little section cleared out, I might as well offer it to the public. So at the moment I'm able to, so we've got one sewing machine that we could use. So I'm saying, okay, come along and let's do some sewing lessons. So give me what the subject is you want. I remember years ago I used to do that, and you used to come along and sit with me for an hour or two. So yeah, that'd be nice if you came. Give me a ring. 01737 558 649. That is my business telephone number. That's why I can freely give it out. I am a company. The company's Des Swags. So you either come and learn all about curtains, or you come and learn all about garments. I do both. Isn't that great? My mother taught me well, and then I went on and did some exams for it. So today what I thought I'd do, seeing as you see this, I just done that, recover it. You've seen me recover certain things. I bought that over 20 odd years ago, and I just keep on recovering it when it gets dirty, because you know how many children I've got. So give me a ring and let's get you sorted on what you are stuck on. Yeah? Love to hear from you. I will put the details on my website so that you can make an appointment under Calendar. Bye.